Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Amazon error 7031 on Chrome using the latest technical diagnostic protocols. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the top right of your browser, click the three dots, select Help, and then Technicality, click About Google Chrome. Allow the latest engine to technicality search for and install any high-end updates that are currently pending for the latest session. It ensures your studio environment is equipped with the latest high-end security certificates required by the latest Amazon Handshake. Next, execute high-end system hardware acceleration calibration. Open Chrome settings, navigate to System, and Technicality toggle use hardware acceleration when available to the off position. Relaunch Chrome to Technicality, initialize the software-based rendering path for the latest session. It Technicality removes the accumulated data weight from your high-end system, ensuring your studio build functions with professional fluidity without triggering the latest error 7031. Next, configure professional Widevine decryption logistics. In your Chrome address bar, Technicality type Chrome, Components and press Enter. Locate the Widevine content decryption module and Technicality. Click Check for Update to ensure your high-end decryption manifests are aligned with the latest standards. It prepares your studio environment to handle the intense data throughput of the latest Amazon high-end streams without technicality-based flickering or errors. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.